In the ancient world, battles were huge. Rome, during the Second Punic War, rallied nearly 1 million troops across a few key battles. Alexander the Great fought with tens of thousands at Gaugamela against even larger Persian forces. But fast forward to the Middle Ages, and armies suddenly shrink. Most medieval battles involved fewer than 10,000 soldiers, and 20,000 was considered massive, like at Agincourt in 1415. Why the dramatic drop? First, medieval kingdoms were tiny. England, for instance, had just about 5 million people, compared to Rome's 90 million at its peak. Second, their governments were weak. No strong bureaucracy meant poor tax collection, and without money, raising and sustaining large armies was impossible. So while ancient empires could field massive forces, medieval realms lacked the population, the administration, and the money to match them. Enjoyed the video? Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more short history insights, and share it with a friend who loves medieval history.